Our hearts go out to Puerto Rico as they face the catastrophic impacts of Hurricane Maria, said Julio Fuentes, President and CEO of FSHCC. Please visit www.progives.org and make any monetary donation to help Puerto Rico. PRWEB September 23, 2017. The Florida State Hispanic Chamber of Commerce today launched efforts to provide immediate relief to Puerto Rico for Hurricane Maria recovery through a charitable initiative called Puerto Rico Hurricane Relief. Our hearts go out to Puerto Rico as they face the catastrophic impacts of Hurricane Maria. The island's entire 3.5 million population is without power, and many residents need immediate medical relief, said Julio Fuentes, President and CEO of the Florida State Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. It is important we do our part to help alleviate their pain and assist our fellow Americans as they recover and rebuild. Please visit http://www.progives.org and make any monetary donation to help Puerto Rico. With a goal of raising $250,000 in disaster relief funds, donations will be directed toward emergency supplies such as bottled water, canned goods, dried foods, medication, pillows and blankets, shovels and hammers, and other necessary items. If you live in Tampa, Orlando, Jacksonville, or West Palm Beach and would like to drop off supplies, please contact Corey@coramessage.com for more information. To make a donation, please visit http://www.progives.org. The Florida State Hispanic Chamber of Commerce was founded in 2000 in response to the tremendous growth of Florida's Hispanic population. It's partnered with nearly 40 local Hispanic chambers and business associations in the state of Florida. Today, FSHCC is Florida's only statewide economic development organization dedicated toward Hispanic business owners, and is ranked by the U.S. Hispanic Chamber of Commerce and MBE Connect magazine as one of the top 5 Hispanic chambers in the country. Visit http://www.fshcc.com. Share article on social media or email